In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 50 gigabytes of data free of charge from MTN. This is coming directly from MTN, so you don't need to download any third-party app or any special code to get access to this. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do want to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. Help me to share this video so that others will get access to this video. So let's dive right into it. To claim your 50 gigabytes of data from MTN, first you need to install this app on your phone. So go to your Google Play Store or your app store, then install this app on your phone. Type My MTN NG, then download and install it on your phone. After you have installed it on your phone, click on open. So I've already installed mine on my phone, so I will click on open. Then it's going to take you to this interface. So you click on get started. Then the next thing is for you to sign up. So you're going to sign up with your Google account. Then you choose the email that you want to use to sign up. Then click on continue. Then click on agreed. Then click on continue. Click on continue again. Then it's going to log you into the app automatically. So I've finally signed into this app. The next thing is I'll click on more to log out of this account. Now click on log out. Now the next thing is very important. So you are going to log in back, but this time you are going to log in back with your phone number. So make sure you don't miss this step. So you click on continue with your number. So you are going to enter your MTN number here. Then you click on continue. Then they are going to send an OTP to your number. So verify the OTP, then you click on continue. Then click on agreed. Then click on continue. Click on I will do that later. You click on next. You click on next again. Congratulations, you have been offered 50 gigabytes of data for downloading My MTN app. Click on activate now. So click on activate. So you click on to activate now. So congratulations, you can now enjoy your 50 gigabytes of data, which expired today by 9:59 p.m. So this is how you can get your own 50 gigabytes of data free of charge from MTN after you have downloaded My MTN app for the first time on your phone. So this is for only first time user. If you got value from this video, do what to like this video and so drop your comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do what to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. If you want to get access to different code to get the very cheaper from other networks like MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9Mobile, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of the video. So I'll see you in my next video. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.